So here it is, my new camera from Sony, Handycam FDR-AX53 4K camera. I unboxed it today, for 2 hours ago, and now I will look at it for first time. Power up some clock and see a little bit about it. What we can do, it's a big battery here, you see, this is a little bit big, that's nice. And here we have for microphone is the red, and micro USB it's over for computer. Smart. Yes, so now I will take in this card, this Ultra SDHC card, 32 GB, and it's class 10, so this should be good for 4K video. Yeah, that's a good card. So now I will try to fix this and formatter the card. Always make a formatting. We will see. Here it is. Yes. Handycam. Wow, English. There is many languages. Okay, back. No. Back. Here it's English. There is my country. I live here, I can see that. Februar 2018. The time is 16. There. Correct. So now it's correct. Yes. Wow. Play memories. Mobile, play memories, home. There. Here is the menu. We go to menu, shooting mode, movie, 4K it's down there, 4K XAVCS 4K, yes, that's good, we can have it there, that's perfect, we can begin there. 4K steady, it's like steady shot, setting image stabilization when shooting, standard, you can go for active, standard, okay, it's many, what is this? Yes. So let us continue. Camera is new. We open up. See there. That is good. We have only make clock here. We should see here inside this we should have the card the right way. So now, and here is HDMI there. So now we have to like this. You see red light there. Correct. Now we have to make a formatting. We have to formatter this card. We go to menu, camera mic, I think it's shooting mode, I think it's setup. We can try this. Media format, here's the format. Memory card. Execute all the data will be deleted when format is proceed. Okay. Because they say you should do it. You should always make a formatting when you put a new card. Complete. Okay, it's done. This is so quick. So fantastic. I feel it when I touch this. It's so extremely easy. So many things to do. That was set up. Shooting mode, movie, photo, time lapse. That's cool. High speed recording. So much cool. Movie. 4K. Now it's steady shot. We will see. And here's the lens. Take a look at this. This is like a gimbal inside here. You can run with it and you will have smooth film. This is stabilization like no other camera there can do. Wow. Yeah. Now it's 2 channel. Yeah, menu, macro, and there is menu, camera, and microphone is here. White balance, automatic, spot meter, auto focus. There's many things here. Image quality size, rec mode 60 megabits per second. Okay, frame rate 25p, dual video rec off, file format it's XAVCH 4K. That's from Sony, their own. You can get 100 megabit and 60 megabits. It can be on 60 megabits. I will try a little bit. Frame rate is 25. That's okay. Dual video. Okay, I can see. See later. Shooting mode, playback function, copy, setup. Yes. A nice camera. See here. Little bit big battery. And you have here manual. There, and you have this one here if you want to make manual. nice. Sony. Yes. So here it is. New camera. Got it today, so I have charging battery now, and make date and clock, and formatate the card I use in here. So now I can begin to make some movie. Make some film, and I look forward to do it. Nice from Sony.